The brand Sesa Care is a story 25 years old. This was started by a doctor dedicated to controlling hair fall. 25 years later, the brand is still alive. What makes a brand alive is obviously a great product, because it's only great products that can stand the test of time and get people to continuously buy them and be loyal to it. I'm out discovering ancient Ayurveda products, ancient Ayurveda recipes, and ingredients that were part of probably my childhood or a brand that I've discovered recently. And one among those brands is Sesa Care. I discovered this brand a few months back and I reached out to the brand saying that I would like to collaborate with you. And I did this because I was so blown away and so impressed by the fact that this is a heritage Indian skincare brand. So I was going on a travel and I thought this is the best time to test a hair care product, because har ek jagah pani different hota hai. And also, what better way to test out a product than, test it at different locations with different humidity level. I took along with me the onion hair oil with Bhringraj. Then along with that, I also had the onion conditioner with Rita and Shikakai, and the onion shampoo which also has Rita and Shikakai in it. Now all the products in this range are free from parabens, sulfates. I know there's a little bit of debate whether parabens are really bad or not, but that is their range. They like to keep all the products chemical free. I've got dry hair and my hair is extremely colored, but I went ahead and took on this collaboration to see how the products really are. So Sesa hair care is something I've used years and years back, the Sesa oil. The product that I'm going to be testing out is the onion range, and I tested it over 4 weeks in different locations. I absolutely fell in love with the hair oil because of its thin, beautiful, almost delicate light pink color, and the fact that texture is so light. I always make sure that I'm oiling my scalp and also the length of my hair, because the more oil you have in your hair, the less high grade fatigue your hair will go through. If you don't want to know more about the high grade fatigue, do make sure you see the video. I'm going to be listing it in the description box. I also make sure that I'm oiling the ends of my hair as well, because those tend to be the driest part of my hair. Problems of having colored hair. My hair fall in the first week was quite a bit. It's technically not hair fall, but a fair amount of hair came out. The shampoo is pretty cool. It has the thick texture of Shikakai. If you've used Shikakai, you'll know what I mean. It doesn't immediately dissolve in water. It almost feels like a thick gel, and it takes a little bit of dissolving, but then it goes on, and post your wash, you can feel your hair really, really clean. The shampoo is sparred with great herbs. It's got aloe vera, which is great for hair. I've done multiple videos about aloe vera for hair. It also has hibiscus, because hibiscus is famous in the south because it really improves the growth of your hair. Along with that, it also has amla and it has green tea, both of which are calming. So if you have a lot of itching or a lot of dry scalp, this is the shampoo you're looking for. It leaves your hair extremely clean and very, very manageable. Since I used it post my oil, the first application doesn't lather so much, but the second application really goes and gives you great lather. The conditioner is also made of the purest ingredients you can imagine. Aloe is again great for hair, and you will see a little later in the video how aloe actually helped my hair and gave me a very surprising result. It also has Brahmi and Bhringraj, which are famous in Ayurveda. These herbs are known to keep your hair exceptionally healthy, keep it from falling, keep the inflammation in the follicle down, and make your hair very, very manageable, and also aid in making your hair longer. And so if you really want long hair, Brahmi, Bhringraj and hibiscus is a deadly combination to look for in your hair products. This conditioner comes packed with it. By now, in the week 2, I'm addicted to this particular oil. The smell is just so beautiful and refreshing, and I really enjoyed using it. I could see my hair. When you use hair oil a lot, you can see the difference in your hair in terms of how it feels when you're combing it, or when you're drying it, or when you are even applying it. It just kind of gives you a very relaxing and a very beautifully aromatic experience. Hair oiling is an experience, and I really kind of enjoyed it with this hair oil. The second week was pretty unremarkable. My hair were definitely feeling softer and manageable, and I was kind of enjoying the products a lot. But I have to say that what was surprising to me in the second week, because I was in a different location, was the texture of my hair post a wash. As you can see here, My hair looked very manageable, had a lot of movement in it, and looked surprisingly soft. Keep in mind that it has no silicone. This is a big surprise to me. Week 3 was an even bigger surprise because I was, of course, enjoying the hair oil a lot. My hair was definitely feeling softer and dramatically manageable and nice. But when I thought week 2 was a big surprise in terms of how my hair were without silicone, week 3 was an absolute shocker for me. Post the oil, I continue to do this twice a week. I used to oil my hair and twice a week wash my hair with the onion shampoo and the onion conditioner. A surprising revelation was my hair here. I don't know if you can see the surprise on my face because my hair has zero frizz. It has absolutely no frizz, and yet look at the weather condition that I was in. It was pouring for weeks and weeks together. There was so much humidity, but my hair was smooth. How shocking and surprising. Week 4, I'm totally in love with this range. I'm combing my hair and putting oil, and oiling with this became like a ritual because it's just a very beautiful experience. And my hair fall completely stopped. The few hair that was falling was also stopped. The fact that the bottle had a stopper made it easier for me to travel with it everywhere because there was absolutely no leakage of the product. So hair oiling became one of the most important parts of my day, and more and more surprising as I was using it was that the few hair that I do tend to lose, we all tend to lose hair, right? My hair fall practically came down to 3 hairs. I'm not even kidding you guys. Watch me as I'm going to comb my hair out after oiling it and after brushing my hair. Generally after oiling you tend to drop a lot of hair because all the loose hair comes out and all the hair that is stuck comes out. And here I am completely stunned. I got back to Hyderabad after 3.5, 4 weeks, and there was a lot of humidity in the air again. And I thought my hair were a little drier than I would like it to be. Now keep in mind I have colored hair, so I do require extra silicones to just kind of weigh it down and keep it down. Given the great ingredients these products have, they would work beautifully for hair which is not as colored or dry as mine is. My hair definitely requires a little bit of silicone support. So I found a hack. I continue to use the conditioner because it's packed with such good ingredients. I definitely want it on my hair. But what I did was I used my regular conditioner to kind of, calm down the edges and the ends of my hair. And I have to say that's the most brilliant hack because now I'm getting the goodness of the Ayurveda ingredients and I'm packing it up with the silicones that I need for getting absolutely dramatic results. Look at my hair, even when I'm washing them, they're so beautifully smooth. And of course, when you dry it out, they're back to the old glory that I'm used to having my hair. And so when it comes to rating this product, I can have only good things to say. The very fact that the product has stood the test of time for 25 years, has dedicated customers itself is a big thing. I mean, who am I to, come in today and rate a brand which is 25 years old? The entire range is very well balanced with modern skincare ingredients as well as ancient Ayurveda ingredients. So you get the best of both worlds. Also, keeping up with the times. So kudos to the brand, kudos to using great Ayurvedic recipes and great Ayurvedic ingredients. Our entire hair care in India, if you've had mums and grandmoms make your shampoos at home, it's all about Rita, Shikakai and, using some good herbs. And here's a range that does, uses all of those ingredients for us. So that itself is so heartening. And the fact that they've still kept their products so affordable, which I think is an absolute winner because Ayurveda has to be affordable. It is a way of life for us. And I don't know about you, but I get very emotional when I look at old things, vintage things, heritage brands, heritage, kuch ho jata hai. But to help you make a decision on trying out this particular product or this range, here are 5 reasons which I think might encourage you to give it a try. The number 1 reason is the fact that it's so beautifully well managed. It really gives you the advantage of those great products that you're using. I could feel the difference in 4.5 weeks. Secondly, my hair fall actually stopped. Little hair that was falling was also completely stopped, which is shocking for me. Uh, Touch on wood. The third reason why I'm rating it so highly is because I found my hair really alive, and I think it definitely makes sense to not have silicones in your hair because it just gives you a nice body and manageability to your hair. Sadly for me though, I just need the silicones for my hair to look a little better because I color my hair, I can't stop coloring my hair. My hair just felt beautifully bouncy and shiny and absolutely gorgeous, as you can see here. So all these reasons are good enough for me to be loyal to this particular range for some time. Because I will keep trying more and more products. But what is also very valuable to me is the fact that this is authentic and it is so affordable. I know a lot of my clients have used Sesa oil for years and years together. And for them, thank you for introducing me to this brand. If you use these products, let me know. And if you don't, you have reason to now. Head to the website right away and get 20% off. You have the discount code right here and let me know how it goes for you. For more on hair and more on the power of onion and Ayurveda for your hair, I'm going to be meeting you in the comment box.